Alright guys, welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel. So today guys, we're gonna make some breakfast, okay? So we have the plantain right there. Plantain. We have 2 eggs. And these are our ingredients. See? Salt, garlic, pimento, and our black pepper. So guys, we're gonna make a egg and plantain sandwich. Very delicious. So yes guys, first we're gonna cut the plantains up. Then we're gonna fry the plantains. First thing first. Then afterwards we fry the egg. So guys, this is one of my techniques. This is the way how I cut my plantains. So if you're looking for a presentation, this is the best way to cut it. See, cut it sideways. You're cutting your plantain, you cut it sideways. Like that guys, and try to cut it even. So yes guys, frying the plantains. Very quick meal guys. You can get up in the morning, take you about 5 to 10 minutes. You can just get up in the morning, make a quick breakfast, a quick sandwich, and end off to work. Very delicious guys. So that's a plantain frying. Depends on how high you turn your heat on your stove. That's how quick the plantain will fry. Okay YouTube, so what I do, just take the plantains out, I put it on the napkin to drain the oil. This guy's looking lovely. Looking very lovely. Just put it on the napkins to drain the oil. So now we're gonna fry the eggs now. So now guys, here we're gonna have the season for the eggs. So some black pepper, a little bit of black pepper guys, and a little bit of salt. Gonna combine it together, and a little bit of our Grace Caribbean traditional pimento garlic season. Not much, just a little bit guys. That's to season our eggs. Yes guys, so that's our season. So when we frying our eggs. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna fry the eggs. It's just like that guys. Just like that one egg. Gonna burst the next eggs. Guys, so right now what we're gonna do, so here we have our seasoning right here, our black pepper and our salt. And here what we do guys, do it like this on top, both eggs, sprinkle. Okay guys, so we do it, and then we fry the next side. So yes guys, looking lovely. So what we're gonna do guys, we're gonna season the next side as well. Looking lovely guys. So you can fry your eggs, depends on how well done you want your eggs. I like my eggs well done. Yes guys, so looking lovely, almost done. So you can fry your eggs how you want it. As I said already, I like my eggs well done, so I'm gonna fry it well done guys. Then we're gonna make our sandwich. Okay, yes guys, so look at that, well done guys. So there are my eggs, there's my plantain. Then we're gonna combine it together. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna toast my bread without a toaster. I'm gonna teach you a Jamaican traditional style. So look at this guys. So yes guys, here we're making some butter bread. Look at natural whole wheat bread. Yes guys, so what we do, gonna have the pan, no oil, empty pan. Let's chop the bread in. Chop the bread in just like that guys. And out of that one plantain, and 2 eggs. I'm gonna make 2 sandwich. Quick, just like that, guys. In your non-stick pot or whatever pot you have. Or you flick it like that. So guys, if you don't have a butter bread, what you could use, you could use a you could put butter on it after you toast it. You could just put butter on it. Check it out. Quickly done toast bread. 2 minutes, guys. Less than a minute. 30 seconds both sides. Check that out. That's it, guys. Guys, so we all done. So what I'm gonna do, take the eggs, drop the eggs on first. Right here. Plantains. Just like that, guys. You can put whatever amount of plantains you want to put on it. Just like that, guys. That's a delicious sandwich. Just like that, guys. Wonderful. Wonderful sandwich. Yes, guys, same thing for the next one. Just chop the plantains on. Same thing for the next one. Check that out, guys. Looking delicious. Chop the bread on. Delicious egg and plantain sandwich. Guys, so check it out. The delicious egg and sandwich. Egg and plantain sandwich. Quick and easy. Less than 15 minutes. Quick breakfast to go in the morning, guys. Check that out. Very beautiful. That color. Very nice sandwich. Quick and easy. Very delicious. Okay, guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, and please leave a comment and tell me to make anything you want me to make, and I'll make it. Peace. I'm out.